Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and you all are carrying out the necessary precautions like wearing a mask, sanitizing your hands and wearing gloves. You said this is the new normal. I know it's hard, it's difficult, like from March we have been facing this. But as I told you, this is the new normal. So it's difficult, very difficult, like in this hot, like Assam has so much of humidity. We can't wear a mask because I know from my own personal experience, if I wear a mask for more than 10 minutes, this whole part, you see, this whole part, it's full of sweat. It becomes so sweaty. But we have to deal with it. And sanitizing my hands is like okay, because I do that anyway. Because before Corona also I used to sanitize my hands every day. But wearing gloves, my god, this is like a big deal for me. You know, I can't wear even winter gloves. I feel so itchy. And this type of gloves that are so stretchy and it just clings to your fingers, right? I don't like that at all. So wearing gloves is a big deal for me. Yeah, and so I think we are done with the Corona talk. Everything is happening bad in 2020, guys. Everything. So I don't want to like bring all the thoughts again. And so today in this video, actually, I was craving for some food, outside food, bahar ka khana. And bahar ka khana, it doesn't mean that some China. Whenever I think of Chinese, that bat comes to my mind. For that particular bat, everything is happening now. Yeah, so not Chinese or any type of cuisine, but only our Indian cuisine, and that also in veg. I was feeling like having street food like pav bhaji and samosa chaat, all such things. But street food now is a big no-no in this situation. I know I've seen people, they're having fuchkas or golgappas in I see them, you know, I see them, they're having it so nicely, they're devouring those fuchkas, but I can't help it. I feel so terrified at the thing that okay, how much guts you need to have that fuchka at this particular time. And guys, honestly speaking, होममेड फुचकाज में वो बात नहीं है जो फुचका वाले भैया के फुचका में जो बात है. Accept it, guys. We are not fuchka walas. We can never make best fuchkas that we get in the roadside. But yeah, it's true. So anyway, I was thinking like कुछ खा लेती हूँ. Like in restaurants we get pav bhajis and all, but we need to see a restaurant that is hygienic, that has a very proper hygiene. And I don't think like I can go into their kitchen and I can see whether the gas is clean or not, whether the utensils are kept in a proper manner or is it kept in a dirty place. I can't do that. I'm not from the FCI that I'll flash off my ID card. Shh, FCI Gulshan Firdausi. No, I can't do that, right? So for me, I don't know, it might be weird for you, but for me, like if the washroom in a restaurant, if it's clean, then I consider it hygienic. The restaurant is hygienic. I consider it that way because yeah, that's the only thing I can like see, right? So I was thinking like let's have some pav bhaji or anything of the street food sort. If I get golgappas also in the restaurant, I'll be very much happy. So yeah, so there's a place actually called Chowpal. Okay, it is around 55 kilometers away from my place. Yeah, guys, I'm traveling for 55 kilometers today just to have pav bhaji. I know, guys, I'm weird, but can't help it. So yeah, I will be accompanying with some of my friends, and then we'll go there, we'll just chill. And that particular place, Chowpal, that I'm talking of, you know, it has a very rural setting. outside the restaurant you have those khatiyas where you can sit and chill with your family and friends. So yeah, we'll be going there. We'll be having some good time, some quality time, and I'll be taking you all with me for sure. So let's get started. So we are all set to go. Check out my new sunglasses, guys. It's from Vincent Chase and I got it for free. How come? Because one of my friend has bought one, and if you buy one frame, we get another frame for free. So I got it for free. Yeah. Here they are. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Vidisha. Hi.
খাব লাগে নাকি?
অ হে তেনেকুৱাই মানে ৰূপটপ আছে
ক'ত বনাইছে?
নগাঁৱত একো বাট মই ফটোখন দেখি আছো সুধো নেকি বাক যাবি
তাই ক'ত?
হুদ যদি ভাল হয় তে যাম. Here at Chopal. This is the place. As I told you, there is a rural setting. I'll show you. So you see, these are the khatiyas that I told you that are kept here. These are the khatiyas. We can sit here and chill. But we'll sit inside because it's hot, guys. It's very hot. So this is the entry. Let's get in. Ambience. So pretty, right? There's no pav bhaji, guys. We came here to have pav bhaji. So they said that they don't provide serve here pav bhaji. So we have ordered chicken kasha and cheese butter naan. Yes. What was that we ordered? Garlic butter naan. Yes, garlic butter naan. Okay, we have ordered garlic butter naan. So yeah, let the food come, then I'll show you. Stop making those faces. So, Vidisha, what do you want to say about this place?
Hi everyone, as you all know, this is Vidisha here, and
No one knows
I'm
you.
being forced to say something
No.
because you know, this is the perks of being friends with a vlogger. By the way, I'd like to request you all, please do subscribe to our little
Yes.
vloggers
Yes.
channel. As she have cut down her hair, she's looking cute though, I know, but she have cut down her hair.
Shut
Please
up.
subscribe to her channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon.
Yes. So guys, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel.
Please.
And how's the place? I'm asking you. How's the place?
This is good, but you made it bad.
Shut up.
With your camera on.
Food has already arrived. Now we'll begin. Yay! We are done with our food. Yeah, I know I came for pav bhaji, but I didn't get. But still, the food was very yummy. It was very delicious. Now we'll be heading back home. Everyone is here. We'll be heading back. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and please hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.